Hey guys, my name is Tashata Tibone and I'll be singing for you today. I fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, now it's over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touched your face, while it burned as I cried. And I was jumping and I was screaming your name. Thank you.